Thomas Cook India signs MoU with Gujarat government to boost domestic tourism. Thomas Cook has signed a memorandum of understanding with the government of Gujarat to strengthen domestic tourism promotion across India. The partnership aims to position Gujarat as a preferred travel destination for Indian tourists. The MoU was signed on January 12, 2026, during the Vibrant Gujarat Summit held at Marwadi University in Rajkot. Senior officials from Gujarat Tourism and Thomas Cook India were present at the signing ceremony. This collaboration brings together Gujarat Tourism's destination development vision with Thomas Cook India's extensive pan-India distribution network. The partnership will focus on targeted destination awareness and consumer engagement initiatives. Beyond promotion, the MoU includes structured training and knowledge-building programs for Thomas Cook India's travel experts and channel partners. This is expected to strengthen destination advocacy and improve customer conversion. The initiative will actively highlight Gujarat's wide tourism offerings, including heritage sites, cultural experiences, spiritual centers, wildlife destinations, and nature-based travel. Experiential and lesser-known destinations will also be promoted. Thomas Cook India plans to adopt a multi-pronged approach covering leisure, MICE, and B-leisure travel segments. Its omnichannel clicks and bricks model and loyal customer base will play a key role in outreach. The government of Gujarat will support the partnership by facilitating necessary approvals and clearances as per state regulations. This support is expected to ensure smooth execution of promotional activities. The MoU reflects Gujarat's growing importance on India's tourism map, supported by iconic attractions such as the Statue of Unity, Gir Forest, and the Run of Kutch. Continued infrastructure development further strengthens the state's appeal. For Thomas Cook India, the partnership aligns with its strategy to collaborate with state governments to drive destination-led growth. The company aims to leverage consumer insights and on-ground expertise to stimulate travel demand. Overall, the partnership represents a strategic step towards increasing domestic tourist arrivals in Gujarat. It underscores a shared commitment to sustainable tourism growth and long-term destination development.